Tower, good afternoon, Endeavor 5424, visual 31 left.
Endeavor 5424, Kennedy Tower, runway 31 left, wind 290 at 7, traffic 2 o'clock, 3 miles, 4,000, correction at 2,000 is an Amber Air 75 landing the parallel runway at 2,700.
Traffic in sight, Endeavor 5424, we clear to land?
Endeavor 5424, affirmative, wind 290 at 7, runway 31 left, clear land.
31 left, clear to land, Endeavor 5424.
Tower, breakout 4539, ILS, 31 right.
Breakout 4539, Kennedy Tower, runway 31 right, wind 290 at 7, clear to land.
Clear land, 31 right, breakout 4539.
Blue 2029, runway 31 left, wind 290 at 7, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 31 left, JetBlue 2029.
American 2829, Kennedy Tower, traffic 4 mile final, 31 left, line 48, be ready to go. American 2829.
Yeah, sorry, just switched, we're at the wrong frequency, 2829, switch you.
American 2829, runway 4, correction, runway 31 left, line 48, traffic 4 mile final, be ready to go.
31 left, line 48, American 2829. Kennedy Tower, Brickyard 5736 inbound, visual 31 left.
Brickyard 5736, Kennedy Tower, runway 31 left, wind 300 at 6, clear to land, best speed to the numbers.
Clear to land, 31 left, best speed, Brickyard 5736.
JetBlue 2029, contact your departure.
JetBlue 2029, switching, good day.
Kennedy Tower, good afternoon, JetBlue 1633, 31 right.
And 2029, runway 31 left, wind 300 at 6, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 31 left, American 2829.
JetBlue 1633, Kennedy Tower, runway 31 right, wind 300 at 6, cleared to land.
Clear to land, JetBlue 1633.
JetBlue 2474, Delta is approved, taxi left Alpha, monitor ground, 2 parts.
Left, Delta left Alpha, on the ground apart, JetBlue 2474. Mayday, American 2829, we're rejecting on 31 left.
Green 2829, roger, cancel takeoff, clear. Endeavor 5424, go around to fly runway heading.
5424, we're going around and runway heading. You want us up to 3,000?
American 5424, fly runway to maintain 2,000 for now. Correction, Endeavor 5424, fly runway maintain 2,000 for now. I have instructions for you shortly.
Runway heading, 2,000 for now, Endeavor 5424.
American 2829, yeah, we just had, I think we had blew out some tires on the left main, and just want to come out and have someone take a look at it.
American 2829, roger, stand by, we'll get them on the way. Brickyard 5736.
5736, go ahead.
Brickyard 5736, traffic, 3 mile final, runway 31 right. Do you have it inside? It's an Embraer 190, and can you accept 31 right? There's a disabled aircraft on 31 left.
Yeah, we can take 31 right, Brickyard 5736.
Brickyard 5736, follow that traffic. Do you have it in sight? Change to runway 31 right. Runway 31 right, clear to land, and you clear visual approach.
Got the traffic in sight, and 31 right, clear to land, Brickyard 5736.
Endeavor 5424, turn left heading 220.
Left turn 220, Endeavor 5424.
Endeavor 5424, turn, correction, contact New York departure 135.9er.
35.9, Endeavor 5424.
Endeavor, Brickyard 5639, hold short of, actually disregard. Brickyard 4539, taxi left, correction right, Bravo, and monitor ground.
Right, Bravo, monitor ground, see you, Brickyard 4539.
American 28 to 29, contact 123.9er.
239, American 2829.